everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change the font size on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and take a look at the current font size. Now, to increase or decrease the font size, go back to your home screen, open your phone's settings. From there, tap on display and brightness. This may vary slightly depending on your device. Scroll down a bit until you find the option called font size. Tap on it. Now you will see a slider with different font size option. To increase the font size, drag the circle towards large A. To decrease the font size, drag it to the smaller or moderate A. In this example, I am increasing the font size. Once you have done, go back to your home screen and reopen Instagram. That's it. This is how you can easily change your font size on Instagram by adjusting your phone's display setting. Thank you for watching the video.